Crash Course on Costa Rica, Ecotourism. Introduction. Costa Rica is renowned for its commitment to sustainable tourism and has gained worldwide recognition as a leading destination for ecotourism. The country's rich biodiversity, stunning landscapes, and progressive environmental policies have made it a haven for nature enthusiasts and eco-conscious travelers. In this crash course, we will delve into the concept of ecotourism, explore the fascinating stories and examples that highlight Costa Rica's dedication to sustainability, and then uncover the top 12 ecotourism experiences the country has to offer. Chapter 1. Understanding Ecotourism. Ecotourism is a form of tourism that prioritizes environmental conservation, promotes sustainable practices, and supports local communities. It seeks to minimize negative impacts on the natural and cultural environment while providing immersive and educational experiences for travelers. Costa Rica has embraced this philosophy and has become a global leader in promoting ecotourism as a means of preserving its natural heritage. Chapter 2. Costa Rica's Ecotourism Success Stories. Costa Rica's commitment to ecotourism has resulted in numerous success stories that demonstrate the positive impact of sustainable tourism practices. One such example is the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, a protected area that has become a model for conservation and sustainable development. Its establishment in the 1970s led to the creation of a sustainable tourism industry, providing economic opportunities for local communities while protecting the delicate cloud forest ecosystem. Another success story is the Tataguero National Park, which has been instrumental in conserving sea turtle populations. Through responsible tourism practices and dedicated conservation efforts, visitors can witness the awe-inspiring sight of sea turtles nesting on the park's beaches, while contributing to their protection through entrance fees and educational programs. Chapter 3. Top 12 Ecotourism Experiences in Costa Rica. 1. Corcovado National Park. Embark on a wildlife adventure in one of the world's most biodiverse regions, home to numerous endangered species such as the jaguar and the Baird's tapir. 2. Manuel Antonio National Park. Explore the park's lush rainforest trails and pristine beaches, spotting monkeys, sloths, and a variety of colorful bird species along the way. 3. Arenal Volcano National Park. Hike through lava fields, soak in natural hot springs, and marvel at the majestic Arenal volcano, an active stratovolcano. 4. Osa Peninsula. Immerse yourself in the untouched beauty of this remote region, renowned for its pristine rainforests, secluded beaches, and incredible wildlife. 5. Montezuma. Discover a bohemian beach town with a laid-back vibe, picturesque waterfalls, and opportunities for snorkeling and surfing. 6. Rincon de la Vieja National Park. Experience the geothermal wonders of this park, including mud pots, hot springs, and fumaroles, along with hiking trails and waterfalls. 7. Tataguero National Park. Witness the nesting of endangered sea turtles on the park's protected beaches, and explore its vast network of canals and waterways teeming with wildlife. 8. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. Walk among the clouds on suspended bridges, encounter rare bird species, and immerse yourself in the ethereal beauty of the misty cloud forest. 9. Cahuita National Park. Snorkel along the vibrant coral reefs of the Caribbean coast, discovering a kaleidoscope of marine life in the clear turquoise waters. 10. La Fortuna Waterfall. Hike through the rainforest to reach this breathtaking waterfall, where you can swim in its refreshing pools and admire its cascading beauty. 11. Palo Verde National Park. Take a boat tour along the Tempisc River and observe an abundance of bird species, crow, crocodiles, and other wildlife in their natural habitat. 12. Tamarindo. Enjoy the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation in this popular beach town, offering opportunities for surfing, sunset cruises, and wildlife encounters. Chapter 4. Summary. Costa Rica's commitment to ecotourism has made it a prime destination for nature lovers seeking sustainable travel experiences. The country's success stories, such as the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve and Tataguero National Park, showcase the positive impacts of responsible tourism practices. By exploring Costa Rica's top 12 ecotourism experiences, Travelers can immerse themselves in the country's stunning natural landscapes, encounter incredible wildlife, and contribute to the preservation of its unique ecosystems. Poem. Costa Rica, a land of green, where nature's beauty is pristine. Ecotourism's gentle embrace. Preserving wonders, a sacred space. From Corcovado's wild expanse to Arenal's fiery dance, Monteverde's misty heights, Tataguero's sea turtle nights, Manuel Antonio's sandy shores, Rincon de la Vieja's geothermal roars, Cahuita's reefs, vibrant and alive, Montezuma's bohemian dive, Osa Peninsula, remote and pure, a paradise for the adventurous and sure, Palo Verde's river, a sanctuary grand, Tamarindo's beaches, sun and sand, La Fortuna's waterfall, majestic and strong, Costa Rica's wonders, where we belong. In ecotourism's embrace we find a sustainable journey, heart and mind. Song. Verse 1. In Costa Rica's embrace, where nature thrives, ecotourism's spirit comes alive. From cloud forests to pristine beaches, a land of wonder that truly teaches. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, a haven for the green, where ecotourism reigns supreme. From Corcovado to Arenal's might, a paradise for every nature sight. Verse 2. In Monteverde's mist, we walk with awe, encountering creatures we've never saw. Tataguero's beaches, a nesting ground, where sea turtles in numbers abound. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, a haven for the green, where ecotourism reigns supreme. From Corcovado to Arenal's might, a paradise for every nature sight. Bridge. Cahuita's reefs, a vibrant display, Rincon de la Vieja, where geysers play, Palo Verde's river, a sanctuary wide, Tamarindo's waves, a surfer's pride. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, a haven for the green, where ecotourism reigns supreme. From Corcovado to Arenal's might, a paradise for every nature sight. Outro. Costa Rica, a land of dreams, with ecotourism's values, it gleams. Explore its wonders, make memories grand, and cherish the treasures of this magical land. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.